Ever wondered why people snore? Let's break it down. Normally when we breathe, air flows freely through our nose and throat. But when the airway becomes partially blocked due to relaxed throat muscles, a deviated septum, or even sleeping position, air struggles to pass through. This causes the surrounding tissues to vibrate, creating that familiar snoring sound. Snoring can be triggered by obesity, alcohol, allergies, or even just sleeping on your back. Want to stop snoring? Try sleeping on your side, maintaining a healthy weight, or using a humidifier. Now you know why snoring happens. Hit like if you found this useful and follow for more health facts.